In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to price Udemy course. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Begin by logging into your Hosting Your hPanel dashboard. This is where you'll typically manage linked services and access any site settings that might interact with your course presence. Use your usual credentials and take a moment to confirm you're on the correct account so changes apply to the right course. Once you're in, look for and click on Instructor. This section groups all instructor tools and is the pathway to your course management area. It's designed to keep everything organized, so don't worry if you don't see pricing immediately. It's a submenu item. From the instructor area, click on Courses. This will display a list of every course you're managing. If you have many courses, give the page a moment to load so thumbnails, titles, and brief details appear clearly. Scroll down the list to view your course details. You'll see course titles, enrollment numbers, and quick links. Scrolling carefully helps you confirm you're selecting the correct course. Pay attention to the course title and thumbnail so you don't accidentally edit the wrong listing. Locate the specific course you want to price and select the Edit/Manage Course option. Click on Edit or Manage Course to open the full management interface. This is where you can change descriptions, content, and importantly, pricing. If you're unsure which button to click, look for labels like Edit, Manage, or Course Settings. From the Course Management submenu, select the Pricing option. The pricing page is where Udemy organizes tiers and regional settings. Take a moment to review any existing price, promotional settings, and revenue share details listed on the page so you understand how a change will affect earnings and visibility. Choose the price tier from the list that best matches the value of your content and your earning goals. Consider course length, depth of material, and comparable courses when deciding. If your topic is niche or highly technical, a higher tier can be justified. If you're prioritizing reach and enrollment, a lower tier or promotional price might be better. After making your selection, click the Save button. It is usually located at the top or bottom of the page to apply your new pricing. Before you leave the page, double-check that the new price appears correctly on the course page and test how it displays in different regions if that's relevant. Small checks prevent surprises and ensure students see the intended price.